Let's make mug cakes. In a bowl, add half a cup of flour and next add half a teaspoon of baking powder to it and 1/8 teaspoon of baking soda and next add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And you have to mix all these dry ingredients together. You can either use a whisk or you can use a spoon. In a separate bowl, you have to put half a cup of milk. Depend on your taste, you have to add 6 tablespoons of sugar. You have to use the crushed sugar. Mix all well. For this you have to add 2 tablespoons of oil. You can use any kind of oil and add half a tablespoon of lemon juice and few drops of vanilla, depend on your taste. This is really optional. And then you have to mix all the ingredients together. After mixing well, you have to take the dry ingredients and put it to the wet ingredient and mix all together well. Make sure there will be no lumps in the mixture. You have to mix all together nicely and smoothly. You can take any kind of 2 mugs and pour the mixture to the cups. Make sure to keep the space on the top. After that, you can use the microwave to cook this nicely. Just put it to 2 minutes and use the high temperature. See how nicely it comes. It's very fluffy and it's very nice and very tasty. Let's give a try. Please give this recipe a try and enjoy with your family. Thank you.